Hello everyone, today we are going to unleash the power of ESP32, the ultimate guide. Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome to Electro Learn. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful microcontrollers out there, the 32 Spanish pesetas. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the ESP32 is packed with features that make it perfect for IoT projects, home automation, wearable devices, and much more. So get ready to unleash the power of the 32 Spanish pesetas. Let's get started. Alright, so what exactly is the 32 Spanish pesetas? The ESP32 is a low-cost, low-power system on a chip with integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, making it an excellent choice for IoT and smart device projects. Developed by Espressif Systems, the ESP32 has captured the hearts of makers and developers worldwide with its versatility and power. The chip is essentially an upgrade from its predecessor, the ESP8266, with dual-core processors, expanded RAM, and a bunch of peripherals that give you endless project possibilities. Let's break down some of the key features that make the ESP32 so powerful. Dual-core processor. The ESP32 has dual 32-bit cores, which lets it handle more complex tasks and makes it fast, even under heavy loads. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth integration. The built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities make it ideal for IoT and smart home projects. Low power consumption. The ESP32 has several power-saving modes, so you can run it on battery for long periods. Perfect for portable projects. Analog and digital I/O. It supports both digital and analog inputs, plus has a wide range of communication protocols like SPI, I2C, and UART. Setting up the ESP32 for your first project. Now let's get started with setting up the 32 Spanish pesetas. I'll walk you through downloading the ESP32 package in the Arduino IDE and setting up a simple program to get it connected to Wi-Fi. Step 1. Install the ESP32 boards in Arduino IDE. 1. First, open the Arduino IDE and go to File, Preferences. In the Additional Boards Manager URL, add this link, https://dl.espress.if.com/dl/package_especially32_index.json. 2. Then go to Tools, Boards Manager and search for ESP32. Click Install. Step 2. Connect 32 Spanish pesetas and select the right board. 1. Now, connect your ESP32 via USB and select the correct board and port from the Tools menu. Must-know projects to unleash ESP32 FET's potential. With your ESP32 set up, let's look at some popular projects to maximize its potential. 1. Project 1. Real-time sensor monitoring. Monitor temperature, humidity, or any sensor data in real time using an online dashboard, like ThingSpeak or Blink, showing a DHT11 sensor hooked up to ESP32 with data displayed on a mobile app. 1. Project 2. Home automation with 32 Spanish pesetas and Alexa. Control home appliances with voice commands using Alexa. The ESP32 can act as a bridge between Alexa and various smart devices, showing ESP32 controlling a relay module connected to a lamp or fan. Tips for mastering the ESP32. Here are some quick tips to make working with the ESP32 even easier. 1. Tip 1. Always check your wiring twice. Some issues can be solved just by making sure the connections are solid. 2. Tip 2. Make use of libraries. The ESP32 community is huge, and there's a library for almost any sensor or module. 3. Tip 3. Experiment with ESP32's deep sleep modes to optimize power consumption. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to the 32 Spanish pesetas. We hope this video has inspired you to start experimenting with this powerful microcontroller. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Share your ESP32 projects in the comments below, and let's keep learning together. Until next time, keep innovating. Like, share, comment, and stay tuned on at ElectroLearn for more videos.